We are here at the Titanic Museum
in Branson, Missouri.
Guys, we are Echo Travel Adventure. We are a travel channel. We are here in Branson, Missouri. Just seeing what the sights and smells are, sounds are, not smells, sounds. We found out that this Titanic Museum is one of the largest ones in the world. So we went
to the one in Florida.
Yes.
A few times. Hello, Lorelai, if you're watching.
And we went to no, we haven't gone to the one in Vegas. We wanted to. By the way, if you guys go to Orlando, get on the tour with Lorelai. She's awesome.
If you're new, hello, hi, and
welcome. And we're back. The helicopter flew over. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification. Don't forget to like and comment. Start
a discussion with your fan band. Thank you to the members that are already here.
Yes.
We're super close to hitting 1,000. I'm sure we can go way over.
Yes.
Just keep subscribing, share with your family and friends. If you dislike a video, sorry to interrupt, but please let us know why. Just be a little nice to us.
Yeah, guys, you know,
my nose is itching.
Allergies. It's allergies. Blah, 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 blah. We've always had a fascination with Titanic, so this is why we wanted to hit this place up, and we're really excited to bring this video to you. We really hope you enjoy it. Come along with us. Okay, so we just got back in the car, and we didn't get a chance to show you our boarding passes. Amber was Eileen, I think we think it's Eileen, Gerda Lindell, and I'm John Gill. And unfortunately, we did not make it. It was not good, but this is probably the thing that I cherish the most when we go to these Titanic museums, is being able to kind of see the status and all that kind of stuff, and just it puts into perspective the people behind the Titanic. And
the people that survived, they had a room as well with their stories and memories.
Yeah.
So that was freaking cool.
Right.
Yay!
But I would say, so they divide this into two things. So right before you walk into the door, they give you a little spiel. They give you a little necklace with a little remote where you can hear things, hear like different number. You punch in your number and all that kind of stuff.
So it's self-guided.
Yeah, it's self-guided. that experience is really cool. Downstairs, you can't film, you can't do nothing. It's really cool how they have everything kind of laid out. They even have this like diorama that you can kind of look at.
I think we didn't find out that you can't record until we probably got some stuff.
Yeah.
So, our fault on that.
Yeah. Then you go upstairs where you can actually take pictures. You can't record, but you can take pictures, I think. Yeah.
I don't know. I think we got confused on something, so we got
a mixture.
Yeah, we got pictures and videos. We probably won't have a voiceover for this because there's not really anything to voice over. So it'll probably just be like some music and stuff.
They did say, because I heard a guy upstairs talking about it, every year they pick a group of passengers and dedicate something about
so
this exhibit.
The whole museum would be dedicated.
Yeah.
So this year they did
the Holocaust and the
Jews.
And then you said less than 100 Jews were actually on board the Titanic when they set sail and all that kind of stuff. So it's kind of cool. So everywhere you go, you kind of have different things, different artifacts, and all that kind of stuff. Before we got here, we found out that Ghost Adventures recorded like a haunted mansion or a haunted ghost hunt here.
Yeah, because they did a ghost hunt.
Now, so I'm just going to talk about the elephant in the room. The experience in Orlando. Our understanding is with Orlando and Las Vegas, they practically own the rights to Titanic and the different artifacts that come from Titanic.
Or it's on loan or something.
Right, and so I think that's why this place didn't have a lot of the artifacts.
And over there, I think the reason why we got confused about recording and stuff, because we could record all we wanted in Orlando, and then we did with Lorelai.
Right.
I know we keep bringing up her name, but she's freaking cool.
Yeah, and you worked with her at Disney World, and she's one of the top tour guides. They even flew her out.
So
oh my God. They flew her out to Vegas to do a couple tours there. I mean, that's how great she is. That's how
she's amazing.
She's just, yeah, definitely.
She's such a great storyteller.
Yes.
And she's just an amazing person.
She is. All in all, I would, for the price, I would probably, depending on what you wanted to do, what you want to accomplish here in Branson, I would probably not come to this.
How much was it for two?
It was $74 for both of us.
Okay. And
that's
then you take a picture. And I think the lowest package they said was $35.
Yeah.
So for two people, and if we got the picture, because I know we got it last time, $100+ right there.
Right.
We were in there maybe an hour.
Yeah. And we weren't rushing. Now we didn't listen to the recording.
There was just a lot of people, so we were trying to take our time, but then we had to hurry on some things. I just wish there was more artifacts.
Right.
The reason I say that is because every year, like Brian said, they do choose something of the passengers. But I think with it being all year long, then you don't get to see everything of the artifacts. So then you have to come back another year. What happens if you don't see all of that?
Right.
I mean, it's great that they do that. They said one year they did dogs, one year they did all women, but then all men and children. So take that into consideration. I'm not saying it's a bad thing. This was a really, really cool experience. I would love to do it again. Maybe not in the same year.
Right.
But that's just me.
Right. And I think this one, or maybe the one in Pigeon Forge, because they're both the same company, they do ghost hunts and all that kind of stuff too. But I know they make it sound negative, and we're not trying to be negative.
No, not at all. We enjoyed our experience, actually.
Yeah, and I just think if I was really excited, and I think that's where I'm kind of maybe slightly disappointed. I was really excited, and when I saw the ship on the strip, I'm like, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. So I mean, the experience is cool. The downstairs is amazing, and all that kind of stuff. They even have the slopes, which they don't have in Orlando. So
then they have water where you put your hand in.
Oh my god.
Yeah, the slopes of the degrees of where the ship was at the certain time when it was sinking.
Yeah,
that was super cool. I'm pretty sure we either got video or
she couldn't do the last
pictures.
One.
I couldn't even.
Or her shoes weren't accommodating.
They're my flip flops, guys. I'm a Floridian in heart. It looks like, and it feels like. So I wear my flip flops everywhere. Yeah,
and she couldn't get the traction to go up. She was pulling herself, and she was sliding everywhere.
And then on the sign it says no sliding. So
But the water thing. So they have an iceberg when you walk in, because you walk in underneath, which we're sitting in front. So when you go in, you can
you show your
touch.
ticket, and then right after,
You can touch the iceberg.
yeah, it's really cool.
And then there is a little pool where you can put your water in. You can feel it kind of
Your hand
cooling
in.
off. Yeah, your hand in. And I put my hand in. And okay, so the girl before us, she was doing it for like 2 minutes, and I put my hand
Well,
in.
she
I
said she
couldn't do
couldn't feel it. It was like a minute 23 or something like that.
Yeah, and I mean, my hand was hurting. I was like, nope, type out.
And
I think
then
I
they're
did
like, "Are
about
you
20
gonna do
seconds.
it?" I was like, "No, I learned from him. I'm not doing it." I mean, it really puts into perspective like how water that cold was and how long they were there.
Yeah, but guys, we definitely, if you're into the Titanic, into history, come here and
Wanna
try it
learn
out.
more, or you think you know, but then you learn more stuff like we did. It's really cool, even just watching the movie and
Right.
stuff like that again.
Yeah, but I mean, I would try, do some research, see what you want to do. If you're in town and you want to see this, come. It's really a cool experience.
Yeah, it's something to do.
Yeah.
Along like the little strip here and stuff like that.
Yeah. But guys, you made this far. Thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification. Don't forget to like and comment. We are trying to get to 1,000.
Well, we're really close to 1,000.
We are.
So we keep saying 1,000, but I think we'll definitely hit it way overboard.
Yeah, and I think part of the reason why we want to hit 1,000 is so we can go live with you, so we can do different experiences with you live, where you can see our reactions of
And then you guys
the 5
choose
cuts.
things for us, knowing
Right.
what we don't like, or you want to see sour faces or things like that.
Yeah, for sure. But guys, thank you so much, and we'll definitely see you guys next time. Bye, guys.